Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a yummy ice cream cake. So I'm going to be using a dome-shaped bowl. I'm going to put a plastic inside the bowl because that's where I'm going to put in my ice cream. It'll be easier to get out the ice cream cake by putting in this plastic first. So this is going to be a layered chocolate ice cream vanilla cake. I'm using the yummy chocolate ice cream I made a few days prior. If you want to learn how to make this ice cream, please check out the link in the comment section. I'll leave it there. I'm also going to be using a vanilla cake. If you want the recipe to that, please comment in the comment section. So what I'm going to do is layer both the ice cream and the cake inside the bowl. I'm going to first start with ice cream, then a layer of the vanilla cake, then ice cream again, then the cake, ice cream, and then the cake. So basically it's a layered dome-shaped ice cream cake. So when I put on the ice cream, I'm going to use a spatula to smoothen it out to make it level. So guys, welcome to my channel. I'm the Juicing Foodie. I make healthy juices and delicious recipes. Like today, I'm making a nice ice cream cake, which I'm sure you guys would love. So please hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification so you're the first to know anytime I upload a new video. Also give this video a thumbs up. After layering, I'm going to cover my bowl and freeze overnight. After at least 8 hours, I'm going to take out my ice cream cake. You can see it's frozen solid. It's also easier to remove the ice cream cake from the bowl due to the covering plastic. Now I'm just going to decorate my cake. I have here some chocolate syrup. I'm going to use the chocolate syrup to cover the cake. And just to make it fun, I'm going to add some sprinkles. And voila guys, we have a wonderful ice cream cake. Just cut a piece. Enjoy! So thanks for watching guys. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Leave me a nice comment. Be seeing you guys in my next video. Ciao!